Since the 19th century, in the Meiji Restoration, Japan began to open to foreign countries and improve the Japanese economy. However, Japan's defeat in World War II was a big blow for Japan, which broke down its economy. Sogo Shosha in this case has an important role in restoring the Japanese economy, while the Japanese government and Congress collaborate with Sogo Shosha. Sogo Shosha is an early form of Japanese companies whose job is to prepare Japanese products and become an important forum for Japanese MNCs to communicate with each other and help small medium enterprise or SMEs to industrialize. However, Sogo Shosha especially became a tool to meet the needs of outside resources due to Japan's limitation to meet the resource, and was influenced by the strong nationalism, which was an important factor in the development of Japanese MNCs both in Japan and outside Japan. Sogo Shosha in their duties through the Keiretsu network is arranged in a hierarchical manner, which is usually filled by Japanese people. Relations between the Japanese government and Japanese MNC made the MNC develop rapidly in various countries, where lobbying between the two parties became a milestone for the MNC. With the existence of Sogo Shosha, Japan's MNC does not only provide benefit for the home country, but it also for the host country, while Sogo Shosha serves two functions, namely the national and international function. Sogo Shosha as an information gathering and intermediation service makes different companies exchange information to form strategies for the national interest, even though different companies compete. This is an added value for Japan's MNC because this MNC also supports to develop their country. Sogo Shosha in this case is a tool to see what strategies are suitable for expanding the wider market and developing Japanese goods. Meanwhile, Sogo Shosha makes a Japanese MNC not only focus on one sector, but can have other actors as main fielders so that they master the existing human resources and natural resources. The word black rain is associated with unfeigned dust resulting from volcanic eruption. But in the Japanese context, black rain refers to atomic bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. In connection with the film Black Rain on 1989, directed by Ridley Scott and played by Michael Douglas, Black Rain film tells the story of Japan's post-World War II disaster. The film tells the story of two American police, Nick and Charlie, who were assigned to Japan to investigate the Yakuza Mafia, who allegedly planned a massacre under Sato's leadership. But this operation almost failed because these two American police did not follow the environment or Japanese way and caused Charlie to die, and Nick almost failed this operation. This film is another illustration of the impression of Japan that rose and became a new force after the war, and also an idea of Yakuza as an conglomerate, or Sogo Shosha in this case, who made a new system or implemented their system based on the value or work ethics of Japan that is implemented in every Japanese MNC.